Morning. Yeah, it's been a little while. Gotta get used to this camera again. Haven't done much. Sorry, I got a little mess around the yard and whatnot, but figured give y'all what's going on. Right now, just feeding the chickens. Get on up in here. Get back into it. I said cut out a habit. Get them some stuff here. Probably on there. You could probably see my setup I got. Got that ready to go. But anywho, I'm gonna go ahead and get into this. So what I'm gonna do today, I'm just gonna go through and do a little. I'm gonna put a gate in and stuff. So I haven't, like I said, I have a little out of practice. I gotta get back into talking in the camera. You get away from her for a little while, kind of forget how to do it a little bit. But anywho, what I'm gonna be doing is, I'll turn the camera around here for you. I'm gonna get a lot of this junk that's blowing in here. Is there's Sunny right there. Is right here. I'm gonna put a gate, and I'm probably gonna transplant this mesquite tree right here. So we're gonna do that, and that will be the dealio. So let's go ahead and get that done. All right, so I get this edited quick good. What I need to do is I need to cut some of this right here. So it's deeper than that, but so what I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna cut these bars so they get in, because I started getting into the pack of where the base of the house went in, so or into the foundation area, so it has a good base to go into. So I'm just going to cut that stuff off right there. All right, so give me a minute. I gotta get my tools. Yeah, I'm probably gonna cut some of that out because I did not do that safe there. So anyhow, I had like I said, I talked to Holy Shit. That was really nice talking to him. He said, hey, why don't you make some more videos? So here I am. Just gotta get used to doing it again, so bear with me, I apologize. Yeah, so here I am, getting stuff down the house. I mean, I got a lot of projects going on. Right now I'm doing this fence. I just cut that off. So it wasn't too bad. Got the time lapse of that. So I got that going off. It's not too bad. It's just to keep the dogs, I'll show y'all here. Got to keep the dogs out of there. Don't worry, this is gonna get look a lot better here in this. I know it looks like a freaking crazy mess, but and I gotta get this done, and I'll be able to get this all trimmed up again back there. I had that looking pretty good, and then had messed it up. So, and that's good. I'm gonna go get the cement, get that all in there. And it should end up pretty good, I hope. We'll see. All right, so let me go ahead and get the cement. Well, I'll just bring y'all with me. I'll show you some of the projects I've got going on. So I have that going on. I built that fence out of scraps. Actually, I'll show you the scraps. There's not many left because I used that fence. But right here, there's just some of the scraps I used to build that little gate thing. It's an old fence that was here when we moved in, so I just repurposed it. So that's what I got going on. I got my truck going on, which I tried the first paint job. Yeah, I didn't see the damage or anything, but anyhow, I'll show y'all this. Got that going. There was damage all in this area here. Had a hole, so I did that up. And when I went to go paint it, I've never really painted before, so I messed the whole entire paint job up. And well, basically I got to redo it. And then I got this going on back here. So the damage was all right here. This was really dented, like bad. And that there was holes in this. You know, so I got that out. I got it pretty close. I don't know if we can pick it up here, but I got it pretty straight. There's still a little dip here, but this side I did really well. So right in here, there was a pretty good dent. And then this was all dented in right here. So hopefully this time when I'm using the damn paint, I'll use it better. But anyhow, I gotta get some cement here. That's two of the projects that are going on. The other one is I gotta organize my shed. So we, we both did it. Got the garage turned into a gym, so I had to remove a bunch of stuff. And then I gotta get that up into the damn, gotta reorganize everything now. So I'm gonna need 2 hands for this, so I'll be right back. Well, anyhow, right here, the audio cut out, so I'll just go ahead and have to do a quick voiceover. First time doing this. We had just put up all the shades. The summer's coming, so we got to get the little shade on everything because it'll just dry up. Over here, peppers are looking good, flowers are looking good. Amanda really keeps this garden looking really good. Those are some poblanos. Got old barrel cactus and some pomegranates there, century plant. But we keep this going all year long. And when I say we, I very lightly help in this area of the garden. I have my little project in the back that I mess with, like the trees and the peaches and stuff. But Amanda and the dogs keep this going pretty good. I put this fig tree in, I think maybe a year, maybe 2 years, maybe a year. Try to get some shade in the next few years, hopefully. We've gotten about 2 figs off of this so far. They were really good. I hope we eventually do get more. That'd be awesome. But it is what it is. I'm heading back onto this project here, and it went pretty good. I got it done for the most part. I still need to clean up this little area back here. Just kind of it's kind of like a catch-all, catches everything that you need. So that's where I'm on at that. So hey, thanks for continuing to watch, and we will just go ahead and get into checking this fence out. So of course the audio is out on here because I hadn't checked it. I'm just getting cement ready. Getting it going. Yeah, real quick, super simple process. Put it in there. I had sprayed down to basically the foundation, and well, on the side of the foundation down to the pack because it's really close to the house. So they probably packed that out, probably a foot or 2 out. I don't know. I'm not an expert, but got all the cement in there. Got it looking good. My big thing with all this, after doing all of this, was the damn pressure washer. I had the quick disconnect. I was gonna try to tighten it up a little bit more, and then as I was trying to take it off, it got bound up, and then I ended up having to get on the phone with the company and get a whole new intake coupler, or send me a whole new hose. I haven't even had this pressure washer a month. The one I had just conked out, so I had to finally break down and get a new one. So I got that done. I cleaned up and just got it all set up. Got everything put away, and right here you'll see I was like, it looks a little bit loose, and then boom, let loose. Turning. Oh no, that's normal hose. Sorry. This is the inlet, and then look, you can see that it's bound up a little bit right there. I'm like, what in the heck? What in the world? And I get the wrenching on that. I didn't record all of it, but I ended up having to take that whole entire coupler out of there. So yeah, I'm gonna get my boots back on. I came in and ate breakfast. I didn't think you wanted to see any of that. I'm gonna go back out and check the cement. I'm in the gym, which was our garage earlier, and that's it behind us. Amanda designed it and we put it together. It's a really good it's actually a pretty easy project. So got that all done. Hope the cement dried. I got the quick dry stuff, or this, I don't know if it was quick dry or it was the strong stuff. But anyhow, good. Let me get this all done here, and I'll be right back with you. All right, let's go ahead and head on out there. I'm gonna go hit this up here quick. But yeah, right now I'm just waiting on the paint to come for the truck. Get through this other fence. But yeah, I was working. Had a piece of the video there I dubbed over, and then probably already got it in a little bit. Not working at Sportsman's no more. I really enjoyed it there. Oh, there's all kinds of birds there. So I've just been getting stuff done at the house. I gotta find a spot for this mesquite tree. Nothing crazy. Let's see if that shit dried yet. Give it a wiggle. Could or could not be a good sign. Let's see here quick. All right, we'll have to grind that off, but it's good for now. Okay. Let me see here quick. I gotta get Jesus, guys. Get you guys here where I can use two hands. All right. All right. Let me. I think that's gonna be okay. All right, that's gonna work. Maybe. That's still pretty dry or wet, so I'm not gonna fuck with that anymore. Bring you around. Yeah, I gotta find a spot for this mesquite tree, but there's some peppers. I'll probably get some of these peppers off. They're not looking too bad. I need to go get a basket for these. Oh, y'all can't see. Let's see. There you go. So a bunch of peppers. Got tons of them. These ones. Should I take these dried ones off? Those would be good. Make some sauce out of those. But those red jalapenos probably gonna make some chipotle chilies. I did that before. They came out pretty good. So that's that. I gotta get a basket for these. Pull those all out. And since this gate is not gating, come on, you. There we go, man. This, I feel like I never did any of this before. It's weird how you get really good at doing something and you don't do it for a while, and then boom, it goes away. Anyhow, there's that. Here's our peaches. But we got a warm spell, so we didn't get a lot. There's a few on there. Hopefully, it feels like those little teeny ones are ready to come off. Maybe they're just gonna be bird food this year, but that kind of sucks. That's all I really got going on. Nothing too spectacular. So that was a quick update, I guess. Like I said, I'll get back in the habit of doing it again. Just like anything, you gotta get in the habit of doing stuff. So as usual, hey, stay easy, peace. A couple more videos to come. Finishing up stuff. All right, take it easy, bye.